2017 Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI Classic. Really beautiful truck. You just put these off-road tires on it and wheels. Really nice, 20s. What we got done on it for you guys is it's got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single right there. 3.5-inch pipe all the way back. And then we put a Dynomax race bullet, sorry guys, 3.5 to 3-inch. Then 3-inch pipe into a 2.5-inch wide pipe, or 3-inch to 2.5 wide pipe. And we reused his tailpipes. He didn't want it too loud, so he left the resonators on it there and there. And that's just a heat shield on that resonator for the tire. I don't know why they put it on this one, but they don't put it on this one. They use tire cover or whatever. It's stupid. But anyways, there's the tailpipes. And it's factory tips. He's gonna come back. We're gonna put some 5 or 6-inch tips on it for him. But he's gonna fix that bumper first. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do the Dynomax race bullets on these Dodge Rams. Or Rams, sorry, no Dodge. All right guys, we got us a Ram 1500 5.7 liter. What is it, HEMI? HEMI. Anyways, what we got, we did something different on this one. Got factory converters there and there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back into Flowmaster Outlaw, part number 15430. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And then a 3-inch mid pipe and 3-inch to 2.5 wide pipe into his original tailpipes, into their original tailpipes, and original resonators there and there. You always want to keep the resonators on if you don't want a lot of drone, but if you want it louder, you take those off, makes it about 30% louder. And we'll try to have a link in the description for this Flowmaster Outlaw for you guys. Again, 15430. There's a gigantic muffler we cut off, the original, because you know us, we hate mufflers, so we kick it out of the way. And it's the Bighorn edition, 5.7 liter V8, beast of a HEMI. HEMI. That's how you get it done. Hope this helps you guys. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. So this is a Ram 2021 5.7 liter HEMI. We did a muffler delete on it yesterday. Then he brought it back today. He said it's too quiet still. He wants as much noise as he can, which that's my kind of guy. There's the converters again, there and there. Then it winds into a single, then 3.5-inch all the way back. Then we did a 3-inch muffler delete because that's the biggest we can bend. Then it winds out into 2-inch tailpipes on each side. And we did 2.25 resonator deletes. There and there. And there's the resonators that we cut off. Right there. So everything else looks the same. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do a resonator and a muffler delete. So it's basically straight pipe now, all the way back from the cat's back. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah, that's the muffler we cut off. Yeah, the Dynomax gives it. Yeah, it gives it that nice crackle. That's nice. Your sound decibels. I like that. Flowmaster Outlaw. There's that muffler. We hate it. They all need to come from the factory sounding like that. There's that idle. That sounds really nice. What do you guys think? I like it. Oh wow. It gives a really distinctive raspiness, deepness to it. Again? Oh yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Sounds like a Hemi.
The Hemi's breathing, man. Go ahead. Oh, much better. Well, I know from now on, everybody that brings them in, I'll just tell them to do all of it. Yeah. That sounds good. Hemi, Hemi, Hemi. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 2017 with a race bullet, Dynomax, and muffler delete. Flowmaster Outlaw, Dodge, oh no Dodge, sorry, Ram 1500. Hem. Taking a lap since 2004. You guys like it? Hit that subscribe button, please. Ram.